Ano ba yung shutter speed? Well, yung shutter speed lang naman, yung nagko-control ng kung gaano katagal ma-expose sa light yung camera sensor natin. Well, we have two. Meron tayong fast and slow shutter. Okay, fast shutter muna tayo. Well, si fast shutter, that is from 1/500 to 1/1000. Kaya nito mag-freeze ng motion, pero darker lang yung photos natin. Si slow shutter naman, from 1/50 to 1/30 seconds or 1 second. Well, ayun yung mabagal yung pagbukas ng shutter natin. More light, kaso nga lang medyo magiging blurry lang kasi hindi niya kaya mag-freeze ng motion. So you can use tripod for that. Ano ba yung standard na settings yan sa photographer? Well, depende po sa inyo yan, sa concept nyo. Well, kung ikaw ay fashion photographer, you can use fast shutter to freeze motion, lalo na kapag may motion yung model mo. Kung sports photographer naman, pwede kang gumamit ng slow and fast shutter. Paano yun? Well, pwede kang gumamit ng fast shutter to freeze yung motion. Well, for example, sa car racing, kung gusto mong ipakita yung motion, you can use a slow shutter. Save this for your next photoshoot. Padayon!